Welcome to Crypto Gems, everyone. My name's George Lee, and today what I'm going to do is introduce you into an amazing NFT project. I'm going to show you how you can get involved, and I'm going to show you why you should get involved. But the most important thing, note this disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. Now let's dive in and see what I'm talking about. Guys, what we're going to talk about today is Meta Eagle Club by Galyverse. All the links for everything I show you are going to be in the description below. If you are already in this project, please leave a comment. Let me know. If you're not, then I'm about to blow your mind. Now you can see already on the screen, this eagle is no normal 2D eagle. It's a 3D beautiful piece of artwork. And just for that fact alone, the artwork will sell. Never mind what goes along with it. Gal Yosef, as you can see, this guy, I will show you in a minute, is all over the NFT space. If you don't know who he is right now, research him. Everything that I've got into that has rocketed, he's been involved in, especially Crypto Bull Society, which is linked with this project. You can see here the first chapter in the Galyverse. That's what this is going to be. It's an ecosystem that's going to sort of evolve around the Metaverse. Now, if you manage to get one of these in the hatch, one of these Iron Men or something like that, I'm telling you, I'm not a financial advisor, but that is gonna pump, okay, in my opinion. So get ready for the reveal. Now, like I said, all of these are finished. The mint is completely done. The price was 0.35 plus gas fee, and you could have got 2. Now, that doesn't matter because the only way to buy one right now is on OpenSea. And I'm going to skip to that in a minute after I've spoke to you about Gal Yosef. You can read his whole bio. He is a massive influencer in the NFT space. And if that man is on a project, you know it's good. You know it's going to get a blue tick, and you know it's going to pump. The founders, it shows you, it's not just Gal Yosef, it's Eden Gallery as well, and RNSNC. This is insane. All of them names you should know if you're in this NFT space. Now, I want to take you to the OpenSea just so you can see the price is sitting at 0.54 Ethereum. Okay, there's been 1.5 thousand traded. Now, you know, if you get into NFTs, the biggest part of the NFT launch is the reveal, and especially for if you're flipping or holding, it's a huge part because usually when a reveal happens, the price goes down because people get less rare NFTs. But if you've got a rare one, the price will rocket. That doesn't mean the price is going to go down forever. A few days later, usually for big projects, the price starts coming back up. Now, it's going to be reveal time very soon. I don't know the exact date, but as you can see, what you get is these egg shapes, and they're going to open and hatch to your beautiful Meta Eagle. It's going to be incredible. Like I said, the links are just below in the description if you want to check out the OpenSea, anything I show you on this video. Now, guys, this is the Twitter for Meta Eagle Club. Now, there's 38.5 thousand followers. Now, that's incredible for any project. You can see it here. The link for this as well will be in the description, but it's at Galyverse. Really nice and simple. I've been through the followers, and the first thing you should be looking for, NFTs, you should know it, is blue ticks on their Twitter. If there's blue ticks following, that's a real good sign because they don't just follow any single project, okay? It has to be vetted. So that's a very good sign, and we already know, like I've said from the artist, Gal Yosef, that this is not just normal small project. So already good thumbs up for the Twitter. Go down there, check what they've already tweeted. The most important, obviously, it's already sold. You have to get it on OpenSea. But I'm going to quickly show you now the Discord. I'm not going to go into the Discord because there's private names and stuff in there that we don't need to see. But you can see already 19,000 are online. And most of the time, it's about between 17 and 20,000 online at a time. 150,000 members nearly in the Discord. That's incredible for any project. So get in that Discord. Be really excited when you're in there. Talk a lot. Help people. There's a lot of new people in this. Help out. Because what you get is the developers and the mods, they pick out people that are doing good community spirit and stuff like that. And you might get airdrops in NFT. You might get a whitelist to the next project. So make sure you're in there. Even go in there and say, yo, hi from Crypto Gems if you want. Try and get this going. But get in there and have a look. Be active, okay? So that's what I've got for you today, guys. Meta Eagle Club. I hope you enjoyed it. To summarize for you, this project's going to be in the Metaverse. It's linked with projects that have already done well, like Crypto Bull Society, so on. Gal Yosef is the artist. Incredible name. I love it. I think 0.54 is an insane price to get in right now. I do believe that's going to rock it up. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. If you like this project, please put in the comments. I love it. I'm getting involved. And if you're already involved, please put in there as well. Remember, all the links are gonna be in the description below. Now, please give a like and subscribe. Have a great day. It's been a blessing to show you this project. Until next time, let's do it, guys.